Hello dear fans. What is francium? Francium is a radioactive chemical element of the first group of the periodic system. It is referred to as alkali metals. Francium is considered the most electropositive metal. Instructions. Step 1. Francium was discovered by researcher Marguerite Curie in 1939. She named the new element discovered by her in honor of her homeland. The existence of this element and its main properties were predicted back in 1870 by Mendeleev, but all attempts to find it in nature ended in failure. It was only in 1939 that a French researcher succeeded in isolating it. Step 2. There are 27 known radioactive isotopes of francium with mass numbers ranging from 203 to 229. This element has no stable and long-lived isotopes. In this regard, all studies of its properties are carried out with indicator amounts of the substance. In nature, francium is present in trace amounts. Due to the very high rate of radioactive decay, the properties of this metal can be studied only on samples that contain negligible amounts of this element. Step 3. In compounds, francium exhibits an oxidation state of +1, and in solutions it behaves like a typical alkali metal. In its chemical properties it most closely resembles cesium. Francium is the lowest melting metal after mercury. At room temperature, it is liquid and resembles mercury in its appearance. Step 4. The following French compounds are readily soluble in water: nitrate, chloride, sulfate, fluoride, acetate, carbonate, sulfide, oxalate and hydroxide. Poorly soluble iodate, chloroplatinate, chloroantimonate, chlororostinate, nitrocobaltate and chlorobismutate. Step 5. Isotopes of francium with a mass number exceeding 215 are formed during the fission of uranium and thorium under the action of irradiation with accelerated deuterons and protons. Isotopes with a mass number less than 213 can be obtained by nuclear reactions of multiply charged ions with various elements. Step 6. Francium can be isolated by chromatography on organic and inorganic sorbents, coprecipitation, electrophoresis, and extraction. During crystallization, it precipitates isomorphically with perchlorate, cesium salts, and hexachloroplatinate. Step 7. Francium is coprecipitated with double and simple cesium salts, as well as with salts of heteropoly acids, for example, with salts of vanadium phosphotungstic or silicotungstic acids. It is extracted with nitrobenzene in the presence of sodium tetraphenyl borate. Separation of rubidium and cesium is carried out by paper chromatography, using cation exchange resins and inorganic sorbents. Step 8. Francium is used in biological research to study the migration of ions of heavy alkali metals, as well as in medicine, for example, for the diagnosis of cancer. Thanks for watching.